Today is event day. It is the 30th of October and we're having our first event here in Seoul. I got ready, packed my stuff, and now I'm heading to the Global Startup Center in Gangnam. So we just arrived at the Global Startup Center here in Gangnam. Let's go inside. So guys, we're here making last preparations. And I just wanted to send, a quick reminder for all the people attending today. But I messed up with one of my Power Automate flows. I've put in a for each loop within a for each loop. So that means I've sent the number of emails according to the number of attendees. So since we had 32 members, I sent out 32 emails to each person. And after my friend was showing me and saying, yo, I keep getting mails, I was like, stop the flow, stop the flow. But it was still running for until 9 or 10 flows, I would say. But yeah, already a good start. Now, at least now I will tell people how not to work with Power Automate and what mistakes I should avoid. I have some little more work to do and actually have a little meeting from work, but then we'll keep on going to the preparation. It is 6:50. We have 40 more minutes until the event is about to start. This is the venue. We still have some people working. First guests and friends already arrived. Say hi to Oktay. Exactly. We met at a meetup 2 days ago at Lovable, and then he found out that I was Turkish, and then we met, and he's also here now, joining my event. Thank you very much. Also been helping a lot. Shout outs to Oktay. We have already prepared some snacks. Nothing too much, a little bit of drinks, and this is where the event will be held later. Let's see how it will go and how we will connect with the people. So everything ready. The screen is ready. That's the little stage we have. Nothing too big, but I mean, it's gonna be a casual meetup. So yeah, let's hope we can fill this room later.
Global Startup Center, and this is a facility that is run by the government for foreigners. So if you are a foreigner and you are networking can start.
Or if you want to just build a career around it. And then my friend Johnny will speak about locals and agents and also build something live with you together. And we'll have some networking time at the end. So, first of all, who am I? Can you maybe guess what this gentleman in the bottom right and me have in common? You probably know it. No, unfortunately he's not my grandpa, but we are both from the same hometown. We're in Germany. Beautiful, lovely hometown. It's really beautiful. Work with these tools first, and then maybe you can one of these jobs, because there's tons of them these days, and we need people like that. And that's why I thought we should make this talk today. So these are so-called low-code and no-code tools for automation and workflow tools. Enterprises love Microsoft because Microsoft is a really big company, and in Germany we really care about our data privacy and data security.
To give a short introduction to why automation really matters. My company is a startup. We're 6 years old. We're not the fastest growing startup in Europe this month. Complexity is one thing, but also low code is not always the best when you have a large volume going through something. Since low code is also not so fast, if you have thousands of requests per minute. Another thing to consider, third-party integrations. Like I said in Finn, we work a lot with other companies who does things for us. But Foorgun said earlier, this is how to build an agent. I would disagree, because agents are a bit more. Agents are not just AI-powered workflows.
Did you have experience with that, or does it, from the technical viewpoint, break the automation?
No, totally. It is an automation, 100%. You call it a human in the loop.
Certain reason that you use those kind of the workflow or AI agent, the tools that you're using,
usually go wrong in between, and maybe one workflow will break in between.
Since agents are non-deterministic, sometimes happened to us that we tested it on some, or like it was live and it worked on some, but then a problem appeared later just because these type of situations didn't happen before.
Understanding of your customer segment, right? So I know this is their age demographic, this is where they live, this is their financial background, everything like that. What LLMs are particularly good at is reasoning and acting. That's particularly like when it comes to agents. And that's particularly good with like unstructured data. So if we go to your example of running a fashion company, right? Say you've got 300,000 emails that you've received feedback from your customers, and maybe you don't have structured data on that. Maybe somebody said, I love that gold trim on this dress, or I love this green cut on this particular dress. That's pretty difficult for humans to go through and synthesize data that you can break down to structured data, which you can make decisions on and send emails to. So what you would use an agent for in that is the reasoning aspect would be you pump all those 300,000 emails to it, and they could parse that unstructured data and give you synthesized structured data on the outside that says this is these are the people who are actually interested in this, doing all of the work of what would probably be 10 to 20 interns taking 2 weeks to do, and still get you value on the back end of publishing that data to interested individuals on the back end. So I think that's really where the AI stuff would be more interesting to you, as opposed to kind of the simplified version of like just check a box.
It's been a great event. I'll probably give you an update about the event tomorrow. So we're out with some friends from the event and enjoying the night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Wait! No! He's hungry! Well, as you can tell by my haircut, it's been a while since the event. Actually, I've been crazy busy these days, so I couldn't wrap up the event. So it's been a really great event. I met so many nice people. We had nice discussions. We talked a lot. Networking was great. Like I said, met so many nice people, business owners, students, developers, software engineers, you name it. Actually, I made some friends too. So with some people from the event, we're still in touch. We're kind of became friends now, which I'm really grateful for. So that being said, on the 27th of November, we're gonna have our second event. The topic is gonna be the same, AI and automation. This time I have a new tool and I have a guest speaker from that tool, which I'm really excited about, but more information on that later. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.